Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our math class for today, which is still about Unit 8 money. Last time we've talked about the different banknotes, the coins in Thailand, the currency, and how to add and subtract money, how to multiply and divide money. We also use the decimal point or the decimal place and also converted baht to satang and satang into baht. For today, we are going to uh, discuss about income and expenses using money. We are going to add, subtract money as to whether they are a part of our income or a part of our expenses. Let us start with the vocabulary words. The first one is income. Can you say that?
Income. Income.
Yes. The next is expenses.
Expenses.
Expenses. And the last one is balance.
Balance.
Balance. All
Balance.
right. Please turn off your microphone. When we say income, that is the money that we get from working. For example, your father works or your mother works, they receive money upon working for 1 month. So that is the money that you get. That's the money that you use for the things that you have to pay for. That is your family's income. Next is expenses. When you say expenses, those are the money that we use in buying things, in paying services, in paying for our bills. Okay, the money that you lose for buying something, the money that you lose for uh, availing services from other people. Next is balance. When you say balance, what do you mean? When you are talking about balance, for example, weight. When you say balance, they are equal. Like, for example, 1 kilo of apples is the same as 1 kilo of bananas. Balance, equal. But since we are talking about income and expenses, when you say balance, when you are talking about money, that is the money that you have left, the remaining money that you have. For example, have you tried going with your mother or your father to the ATM machine? Have you
Yes.
seen? And then after withdrawing money, you get money, right? And then you will see balance. How much money do you have left in your bank, right? That is what you call balance. How much you have left when you are talking about money. All right. Now, our topic is baht and satang, still about money, but this time we will include income and expenses. Let's have income. When you say income, that is the money received, especially on a regular basis for work or through investments. That is the money that you get from working. Or if not working, for example, you are children, you can say your income is the money that your mother or your father gives you when you go to school for your snacks, right? That's the money that you get. When you say income, you receive money, you get money. Now, when you say expense, expense means the cost required for something, the money spent on something. It is the money that you use for paying products, for buying products, for paying for services, and also for paying for your bills like electric bill, water bill. All right. Now, when you say expenses, you lose money. Okay. From your money, you pay to another person. You give to another person. Okay. When you say income, you receive money. When you say expenses, you lose your money. You use your money. All right. Now let us have our first example. We have here like a table of income and expenses of a student. One student, okay? Now there is one student. For example, what do you want to be his name? Give a name to the student.
Boss. Student. Student.
I know the name.
His name is Student.
I know, Chayanan. I get you, loser 9.
I get you with a chicken. Bobcat.
Okay, okay, listen. For example, this is Bob. Okay, Bob. Okay. Now, this one is Bob's income and expenses for 5 days. Okay. Now, on the first day, which is August 1st, August 1, his father gives him, turn off your microphone. His father gives him 80 baht. His mother gives him 60 baht. So he gets two amount of money from two people. He gets 80 baht from his father, he gets 60 baht from his mother. Next, August 2nd, he buys notebooks for 14 baht 50 stang. The next day, he buys a pen for 7 baht 25 satang. He buys a paintbrush on the fourth day, which is 18 baht. On the fifth day, his uncle gives him 20 baht. Do you know what's an uncle?
Lung.
Yes, uncle. The uncle can be the brother of your mother or the brother of your father, right? Okay, now let us talk about his income and expenses. When you see this table, we have the date, particulars. When you say particulars, whose microphone is like that? When you say particulars, that one shows where did you use the money for, or where did you get that money. Next, you have the income, expenses, and balance. When you say income, when you put the amount here, that means you gain money, you get money, you receive money. So that means addition. You will add it to your balance. You will add it to your money. When you say expenses, that's the money that you lose. So this one should be in subtraction, right? Minus, because you give money to another person, you pay for it, you use your money, so you lose money. Next is balance. Balance is the remaining money that you have, the money that you have left. Okay, now let us see. In August 1st, he received money from his father, which was 80 baht. So you receive, so you get money. So that is an income. So you put it here. Okay, so now how much money do you have? You have 80 baht already. Next is your mother gives you money too for 60 baht. That is also income. So from 80 baht, you will add your next income, which is 60 baht. So 80 plus 60 is how much? 80 plus 60
18 plus 60
is
is 78.
80 plus 60. 80. Look at this.
140.
Yes, so it's 140. All right. Now you have 140 baht. Okay, on August 2nd, you buy a notebook for 14 baht 50 stang. So that 14 baht 50 stang is a part of your income or expense? Expense. So you will write here. Because it is an expense, you will subtract it from your money. It will be minus, right? So 140 baht minus 14 baht 50 stang. So what is your remaining balance now? You have?
125.50.
Yes, you have 125.50 baht. Next, on August 3rd, you buy a pen for 7 baht 25 stang. So that is also an expense. So it will be subtraction again, 125.50 minus 7.25. So what is the answer? How much money do you have left?
118
Yes, point.
0.25 satang.
Yes, so now you have 118.25 baht or 118 baht 25 satang. Next, you bought a painting brush that costs 18 baht.
Yes.
Okay, now that 18 baht is an expense. So you have to subtract again. 118.25 minus 18. That is
100.
100.25. Yes.
125 baht.
Okay. Now on the last day, the fifth day, you receive money from your uncle, which was 20 baht. So you get money. That is an income. So if it is an income, you add it to your balance. So it will be 100.25 plus 20. So how much money do you have now? Now you have
120.
point.
0.25.
Yes. So after 5 days, you now have 120 baht 25 stang. Did you understand?
Yes.
It's easy, right? Let's have another example. We have here another student. Okay, this one was his expenses for 7 days or 1 week. Okay, the first one is his father gives him 100 baht. Was that an income or an expense? Gives him income.
Income.
Next, he buys socks. Income or expense?
Expenses.
Expense. He eats at a restaurant.
Expenses.
Yes.
A restaurant.
He
Eat restaurant a big.
he buys a storybook. Income, expense.
Expenses.
Yes. His mother gives him money. Income. His sister gives him money.
Income.
He buys hair cream.
What is hair cream?
Cream for the hair. Like gel. Okay. Okay, now let us see. The f- the first day was June 5th. Okay. He receives money from his father, which is 100 baht, which is an income. So how much money does he have now? He has 100 baht. On the next day, he buys socks for 25 baht. 25 baht, is that an income or expense?
Expense.
Yes. So if it's an expense, what do we do? Add or subtract from our balance? Subtract. So it will be 100 minus 25. Now he has 75 baht. Next, on the next day, he eats at a restaurant. Is that an income expense?
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Like for example, MK Yayoy, where you eat.
I like MK, I like Yayo, but I don't know. I like Yayo, I like MK. Is 35.
Okay.
Balance is 35.
Yes. Next, on June 8th. June 8th, he buys a storybook. Is that an income or an expense?
Expense.
Uh-huh. So, it's 20 baht. Now it's 35 minus 20. It will be
It is
15 baht. On the next day, his mother gives him 80 baht. 80 baht is a part of his income. So will it be minus or add? Add or minus?
95.
Add because it's an income. So 15 plus 80 will be 95. Now he has 95 baht. On the next day, his sister gives him money. Is that an income or an expense? Income. So 95 plus 30 is.
130.
Are you?
125.
Yes. No, you don't answer on your books. Next, June 11th. He buys hair cream. Is that an income or an expense?
Expense.
do not write in your book. You're not going to answer in your book. Okay, he buys hair cream that is an expense for 18 baht. So 125 minus 18 is
117.
what is it? What?
117.
117 or 107?
107.
Yeah, so that's his money after 7 days. He's got 107 baht. All right, now let's have another example. This one is another student, and this shows her income and expenses for 4 days. On April 3rd, her father gives her 75 baht. Was that an income or an expense?
Income.
And then on April 4th, she buys a doll for 25 baht. What's that?
0.
That's an expense.
50.
Expense, right? And on the same day, her mother gives her 25 baht. So that's an income or an expense?
Income.
Income, right? Next, April 5th, she buys a storybook. Is that an income or expense?
Expense.
April 6th, she buys a poster paper.
Expense.
Okay, now let's see. We have April 3rd, she receives from her father 75 baht, so that's an income. So her money now is 75 baht. On the next day, she buys a doll for 25 baht. It's an expense, right? So it will be 75 minus 25 baht. How much money does she have now?
She has.
She has,
She has 50 baht.
yes, now she has 50 baht. But on the same day, her mother gives her 25 baht. So is that an income or an expense?
Income.
Yes, I will just write here. Okay, mother gives her 25 baht. So that's an income. So how much money does she have now? She will have how much? 50 plus 25 is?
50 has 75 baht.
Yes, 75 baht. On the next day, April 5th, she buys a storybook for 27 baht. So is that an income or an expense? It's an
In, income.
she buys a storybook.
Oh, expense.
Expense. So 75 minus 27 is
75 minus 27 is 30. 42.
how much? Are you sure?
48.
Yes. 48 baht. And then on April 6, she buys poster paper for 18 baht. The poster paper costs 18 baht, so that's an expense. Now 48 minus 18 is
48 minus
18
18
is
is 30.
yeah. So how much is her money now? She has
30.
yes, 30 baht. Okay. Okay. Now let me give you a game. Please turn off your microphone.
Quiz?
Not yet. It's a
Oh,
game.
really?
Turn off your microphone first. Let me show you. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay.
Log game.
Turn off your microphone first. I'll explain. Click this, and click level 1. Okay. So do you know what's an X-ray? X-ray,
Yes.
like in the hospital, if you want to
Yes.
check your lungs or your bones.
I
So
know.
this one is an X-ray. You
Oh,
can see what's
it's
inside. the box. Okay, so the box shows 8 divided by 2. What is it?
6.
Are you sure? 8 divided by 2?
4.
4. You
I
can put
thought
it.
it was
Oh,
1.
okay. You can put it here or here. Next,
Minus
21 divided by 7 is?
3. 3.
Yes. 18 divided by 3?
6.
12 divided by
4.
3?
4.
15 divided by 5?
3. 8.
24 divided by 3?
8.
Okay, and you can go to the next level. Okay, now I'll give you 5 minutes to do this. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to do that, and then we will go to our quizzes and word wall. Okay.
Teacher, I finished level 1 already.
Yes, you can go on and on. I give you 5 minutes.
Teacher, I will do level 2 later.
Okay.
I finished level 2.
I'll give you 2 more minutes. Okay. Now can you stop that game? Let us go to our word wall activity. Can you stop that game? Okay, now look at Teacher Danica's screen. Now let us have our word wall activity. This one is anagram. You're just going to rearrange the letters to form the words. What do you think this word is? What do you think this word is?
Income.
Yes, so how do we spell income? Yes,
Income.
correct. Yes, next. How about this word?
Expense.
Expense. How do you spell expense?
E F E
Mm-hmm.
N
Yes. Next, what do you think is this?
Cent.
Currency. C
Y
U
U
R
R
R E
N
N
C
C Y. Next, number 4, saving. S.
S
What's next?
I
S what? S savings.
I
Wings.
INGS
Yes. And the last one we have money. How do you spell money?
MONEY.
Yes, easy. Okay, let me send this to you and then we will have our quizzes. Tell me when you're finished.
Teacher, I have fit in the leaderboard. Teacher, I'm first on the leaderboard.
Wow.
But I not in the leaderboard.
It's okay. It's okay. All right. If you're finished, let us move on to our quizzes for today. This includes multiplication and division and some problems. I'll send you the link. You can join now.
Teacher, why I am 8 of leaderboard?
It's okay.
Teacher, I am 6 of leaderboard.
Maybe many students use it already. That's why.
Teacher, me is 9 of the leaderboard. Teacher, me is Mario.
Okay, not a wit, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher, you see my name?
Yes.
Where?
Where's it? Nuclear bomb. Your nuclear bomb.
Yes, it's
So you change your name now. You lost numbers now. Pastor, you join us so we can press start.
Teacher, can start now.
Okay.
Thưa Trần là x93เชิญ1 7เชิญ2 8เชิญ3 9เชิญ4 6
Some of the questions are hard. It's okay. Just try. Don't worry, okay? Okay, teacher ended it already because the questions at the last parts are hard, right?
Very hard.
Yes.
Very,
Yes.
very hard.
Yes, some of the questions are hard. Okay. Yes.
I gotta say,
Mm.
all hard. I want another game.
We don't have any more.
No, always hard.
Okay, now, all right. Quiet now. Listen to teacher. Let's now have our live worksheet. Can you see?
Yes,
Can you see the live worksheet?
yes.
Okay, write your name, grade, number, and the date today. So we have the same one that shows income and expenses. You have 5 days. The income and expenses written here. On the first day, his father gives him 200 baht. He buys book for 18 baht. He buys a notebook for 21 baht. He buys a paintbrush for 65 baht. He buys pizza for 27 baht. So here on the first part, his father gives him what? How much? His 200 baht. On the second day, he buys a book for 18 baht. So that's an expense. So how much is his balance now? It will be 200 minus 18.
It's 182.
Yes, 182 baht. Next, he buys a notebook for how much?
132 minus 132.
He buys a book for 21 baht. Yes, since it's an expense, you are going to subtract from 182. It will be 182 minus 21 is
161.
Yes. And then on December 4th, he buys a paintbrush for how much?
65.
65 baht. So since it's an expense, you subtract it from 161 baht. So how much does he have now? 96 baht. And then he buys a pizza for 27 baht. So how much is his money now?
69 baht.
All right. And then click finish. Check my answers.
Boo, boo.